Peace. It's Adisa Banjoko, also known as the Bishop. I'm reaching out to you to talk to blue and white belts for a minute. Listen to me right now. Do not give too much attachments, emotional or mental, to the results of your training. You are learning. Nothing else. You're learning. Put your focus on your learning. If you got tapped out, where did it happen from and where were you right before? If you won, where were you right before you tapped him out and where were you before? Deconstruct those, talk to your training partners, talk to your coach, and just figure out how to get better and learn more effectively. That is it. If you start thinking you're in the UFC, if you start pretending you're in Bellator when you're on the mat, if you start giving attachments after you get out of training to the results, you'll lose the learning. And that is the point, or hopefully should be. If it's not the learning, just keep coming through and not paying attention and you'll be out of the school and it won't matter. But if you're here for the long term, please pay attention to what I just said and have a blessed training.